Tired of task management apps that feel more like a second job? Lunatask promises a simpler, more intuitive way to organize your life. But let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. We're diving into an honest review. First, let's talk features. Creating tasks is straightforward. You've got the basics: name, due date, priority levels, all standard. Note the intuitive design makes it easy. But here's where Lunatask shines: its organizational flexibility. Drag and drop tasks between lists to match how you think. It even has a built-in Pomodoro Timer to keep you focused. Notice how neatly it integrates directly alongside the tasks. Calendar integration is seamless, pulling in events from your existing calendars to give you a complete overview of your day. This ensures nothing is missed. Now, let's talk usability. Unlike some apps that drown you in features, Lunatask keeps things relatively simple. This clean interface minimizes the learning curve. Of course, no app is perfect. There are some limitations. Let's talk price points. Lunatask has both free and paid tiers. See what fits your budget. So, does Lunatask deliver? If you're looking for a clean, intuitive task manager that balances features and simplicity, it's definitely worth checking out.